Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Best Buy affiliate links for tech reviews and deal posts, full guide step by step clearly. To install Best Buy affiliate links for your tech reviews and deal posts, start by signing in to your Best Buy affiliate account. If you don't have an account, visit the Best Buy affiliate program page to apply. Once logged in, navigate to the links section of the dashboard. Here, you will find various options for creating affiliate links. Select product links to find specific products you want to feature in your content. You can search for products by category or type keywords into the search bar. Once you find a product, click on it to view the product details. Look for the Get Link button beside the product information. After clicking the button, you will see options for customizing your link. You can choose between a text link, image link, or a combination of both. Select your preferred link type based on your content needs. If you choose a text link, copy the HTML code provided. If you prefer an image link, download the image or copy the HTML code as needed. Once you have your link or links ready, head over to your content creation platform. In your tech review or deal post, position your cursor where you want to insert the affiliate link. If you're using a blog platform like WordPress, utilize the text or HTML editor for precise placement. Paste the copied HTML code directly into the editor. If you're adding a hyperlink to text, highlight the text and select the Insert/Edit Link option. Paste your affiliate link into the URL field and click Apply or Update. If you are using a visual editor, ensure the link appears correctly in the preview. After inserting the links, save or publish your content as necessary. It's advisable to check all links to ensure they direct users to the correct product page. Consider using link management tools for easy tracking of your affiliate links. Now, your tech reviews and deal posts are fully equipped with Best Buy affiliate links, ready for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.